Hi guys, just a short video today to explain the reason why we shouldn't be sending emails to the whole list, general list. I noticed that many people make this mistake and keep sending emails to everyone versus creating one list and sending emails to segments. What is very important is the deliverability, because the ISP services, they're looking what is your open rate and click-through rate, and if your open rate is below 10%, they are going to determine that your emails are not relevant, and they are going to start putting them into a spam box. That's why it's so important to work hard on increasing your open rate to be at least above 10%. And I think the average should be between 20 to 30%. If you go above 30, 40, that's really, really good. So the purpose of this video is just, like I said, a short tutorial. The Klaviyo rule is you only should have one main list. And then based on that list, you create segments. Klaviyo gives us some parameters to create certain segments for people with different behaviors. And we can see the behaviors here. For example, placed order is at least 2 between 120 days or 395 days. That means that these people, they used to be very engaged with your brand, but now the engagement is slowing down. One hit wonder, they call it that way. So again, it's placed order is less than 2 between 120 days and 395 days, and has placed orders greater than 100 overall time. It depends also. Here we have 0 on your. This is actually, it doesn't say, and placed order is greater than 100. That must be the $100 overall time. So they have different parameters how you can figure it out your segments. And as we know, Klaviyo is very, it gives you many different options, behavioral options. So that's why the flexibility here is incredible, because whatever you can think of, you can create segments based on the behaviors here that Klaviyo is allowing you to choose from. So having said that, we are capable of creating many, many different segments. That's why we want to keep one list. Everyone is in one list. And based on that particular list, we can start dividing people dependent on their behavior on your website, right? And now going back to the open rates, why I just want to show you why it's so important. Here's an example from one account, when your open rates are 26, 29, 28, that means that your emails are relevant. So everything that's got 28 that are high open rate, these are lists that I've been sending to engage list and everyday list. So these are the people that don't mind hearing from you more often. These are the people that are okay getting emails from you, let's say 3 times a week. This is the most I'm sending, unless I'm sending a special promotion, then I probably go 4 days in a row. I do have examples here of general list segment. This was a major promotion, so I've chosen to send it to everyone, to really hit everyone. And so if we, let's say, compare it here, 1,900 people open from general list, but engagement and everyday were 1,800. The click-through rate is much higher, and obviously the open rate is much higher. Which the more I'm gonna have stats like that, the more my emails will go into the proper tab instead of the spam. So that's why it's so important to, when you start with a list and you have a really low open rate, I suggest to start sending for maybe a month only to engaged list. Yes, that means that maybe you're gonna get less sales, but at least for a long run, you're gonna deliver to people that are really, really interested. They're gonna be opening those emails, and your open rate will go up, your click-through will go up, and then as you build your list, as you keep sending more emails, your deliverability is going to increase, and ultimately you are going to get more sales. So I just wanted to kind of show this short video and explain, why it's so important. Also, another important thing I want to mention, I like to, when I create my segments, I like to exclude list cleaning segments or certain segments that are irrelevant. So for example, when I have this, I'm sending tomorrow. So here I have a general, this is a big 1 day, 24-hour sale we're doing. So yes, I am going to send it to everyone. But what I will do is I'm going to exclude my list cleaning segment, because this list cleaning, for some reason I have 2,100 people, and I need to delete them. But they're still in the system right now, right? So I don't want to send it to them, because if I send it to 11 or 12,000 people and 2,000 out of them are not interested and haven't opened my emails in a long time, that is definitely going to dilute my statistics. So any type of combinations like that, where you can exclude the people that are not relevant to what you are sending right now, they are going to help big time. So since I don't know what's going on, I'm just about to sneeze again, I'm going to end this video right now. I hope I've given you enough information here to start restructuring your list and start sending to engaged segments, especially those that have a really low open rate. And if you have any questions, remember, post them below. I know I haven't been doing many videos or tutorials, and I haven't been really active, but I am planning to be more after my move is over, and I'm going to have a little bit more time. So, but in any case, if there's anything I can help, I just want to send whenever I have a little time to just post a little video and give you guys some information that I hope you find useful. Okay, so let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.